Investing in a computer lab is a priority for Rectron. As part of our PEU CSI program, we, as a technology distributor, we are committed to enabling technological skills in the communities that we exist for the future and for the future of our country. So it's part of our CSI program. This is our 8th lab that we have donated. We go around the country to places that are far out of reach, ensuring that we bridge the gap between technology and digital learning in our communities. As we are all aware, there's talk about 4IR skills and the need of 4IR and AI taking place in our society. So long term, we should not be left behind as a country, and us as a tech or a player in the tech industry it then makes it more important for us to enable and bring such initiatives in communities so that we can exist in the future as South Africa in the world in the space that we play in. To learners that will exist tomorrow, the future requires for them to remain relevant. They need to dream big, and I think that's why some of our branding you've seen in our Techno Labs, they need to dream big and understand that in whatever they do, they must always know that society needs them in the future. So when I looked at the learners in all the projects that we serve, the only thing, all the projects that we've done, what makes learners special, especially in our countries, that the only thing that they really have is hope for a brighter future. And it's in their hands, and we are there to walk the journey with them.